Unboxing new Christmas decoration.
Mag-unboxing tayo ng bago.
May manghang.
Ito yung code niya.
May battery na rin dito.
Oh,
Battery.
Who charges
the cord?
okay. I think I have to flip up. Flip this. I don't know. Put it upside down. Yan, ilalim. Yeah.
Yeah, it's much better.
Oh my God. This is the holiday clock with music. So, pababa na, pabalik ka ulit. Ayan.
Yeah.
Get hold of it. Okay. Nagkakapit naman ako. Kasi nag-unboxing ako ng ganito. Okay. Yun na. So, we need to open it like this. Okay, hold it. Okay, I will hold on your phone. Ito po din ako. Okay.
Be careful. Kita.
Ay, oh! My goodness. Ay, ilang ganda.
Ganda ako. Be careful.
Nakaka-excite siya. Okay, alisin ko. You hold. I hold. You hold the pero ko. Oh my God. Ang ganda. Ang bigat niya. Ay? Yes, okay. Oh, wow. Another train. Sorry to remove this one.
Ano ko?
Remove it, yeah. Oh, remember this one, right?
Yes.
When we... Oh. So, can we put that one? Can we try the socket?
This one.
Yes.
This is the...
But do we need to put in here? First, oh, for the clock. This one is for the clock. I'm pretty sure it's for the clock, also.
Oh, so this is electric too.
Yeah. Can you find where to put?
This one.
Check this. Where's the right one? Okay. Is it working? We need to set the time later. Okay, I'll put here.
Yeah, it's working.
Okay. Can you put remove the what's this again? The speaker.
It's new. Look at my dance.
This is the second for this year. Oh my God. German. Thank you, German. So we have 2 trains this year. Oh my God. Ganda. Ganda.
Ganda.
Parang lang bata. So we bought this one in Costco today. After work, we went to Costco. It's very nice. Ganda na. Sweetheart, it's open. It's open.